Okay, so I just did the first step here. The slope, opposite reciprocal. So flip this over. 3 over 1 becomes, 1 over 3 becomes 3 over 1. So I put negative 3 there because it also has to be opposite. It makes it negative. So I changed the sign and I flipped it over. It will be 3 over 1. But writing over 1 is extra that you don't have to do. Okay, the same couple steps. Let's distribute this. So negative 3x plus 6, and then add the 4. So y equals negative 3x plus 10. Okay, so if I graph these two lines, y equals negative 3x plus 10, and y equals 1/3 x minus 1. This line will go through the point 2,4, and the two lines that I graphed will be perpendicular to each other. It's almost magic. The last thing I want to talk about is classifying. So classify, I'm basically talking about, well, these lines perpendicular, parallel, or neither. So classify as either parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Now the easiest way to do this is to take whatever they give you and solve it for y, because that'll be slope-intercept form. So the two equations I'm going to give you are 4y equals negative 5x plus 12, and y equals 4/3 x minus 8. Okay, so this is already in slope-intercept form. This is already solved for y. That's the important thing I'm going to do. So to solve for y, my slope is 4/3. Let me make sure I copied that right. Okay, so 4/3. So that's my slope. Now I need to solve this one for y, and to solve it for y, I just have to divide by the 4. So let me go ahead and do that. And I don't even really need to rewrite it. I know my slope is negative 5/4. So if I have negative 5/4 and 4/3, are they parallel? Are they the same? No. Are they perpendicular? Well, one's positive and one's negative, but they're not flipped over. That's a 5 and that's a 3. So my last choice is neither. These lines aren't parallel, perpendicular, or neither. They are none of those. Let me give you a try and then we'll be done. So y equals 4/3 x plus 7. And 4x minus 3y equals 9. Okay, so that first one, whoops, these two were neither. So the first one, you already have that slope there. To get the slope over here, start by subtracting the 4x, move it over, and then divide by that negative 3, and see how that slope comes out.